Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Developing a budget for your research proposal is more than just a list of expenses. It's a critical part of your plan that demonstrates your project is feasible and well thought out. A strong, detailed budget shows reviewers you've done your homework and can manage a grant responsibly. Let's break down the key components you'll need to consider. First, and often the largest category, is personnel. This includes the salaries and wages for everyone working on the project. You'll list the principal investigator, PI, any co-investigators, postdoctoral researchers, graduate students, and technicians. For each person, you need to state the percentage of their time they will dedicate to the project, known as their effort, and calculate the corresponding salary. Crucially, you must also add fringe benefits, which are the costs associated with employment like health insurance and retirement contributions. Your institution's sponsored programs or human resources office will have the official fringe benefit rates you need to use. Next is equipment. This category is for major, non-disposable items, typically anything costing over $5,000, though this threshold can vary by institution. This could be a specialized microscope, a server, or a specific piece of analytical machinery. You can't just guess the price, you need to get actual quotes from vendors and be prepared to explain why this specific piece of equipment is essential for your research aims. After equipment, we have materials and supplies. This is for all the consumable items you'll use up during the project. Think lab chemicals, glassware, piping tips, survey printing, software licenses, and even basic office supplies. The best way to calculate this is to break it down. Estimate the cost per experiment or per participant and then multiply by the total number you plan to do. Then, consider travel. If your research requires you to go to a specific site to collect data or if you plan to present your findings at a national conference, you need to budget for it. This includes estimated costs for airfare, hotel or lodging, conference registration fees, and a daily allowance for meals, often called a per diem. Look up current rates to make your estimates as accurate as possible. There is also a category for other direct costs. This is a catch-all for necessary expenses that don't fit elsewhere. Common items include publication fees for getting your work into peer-reviewed journals, payments or incentives for human study participants, and subcontract costs if you are paying another institution to perform part of the research. Finally, every budget must include indirect costs, also known as F&A or overhead. This is not money you spend directly on your research. Instead, it's the amount the funding agency pays your institution to cover the costs of supporting the research infrastructure, things like electricity for the labs, administrative staff salaries, and library resources. This is a fixed percentage of your direct costs, and your university's sponsored research office will provide you with the federally negotiated rate you must use. Remember, for every single line item in your budget, you must provide a justification in a separate document called the budget narrative. You have to explain why you need it and how you calculated the cost. A detailed, well-justified budget builds tremendous credibility and is key to a successful proposal. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on navigating the world of research. Let me know in the comments if you have any budget-related questions.